The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 GMC Sierra with the camper shell and pre-installed tracks with the Yakima LockNLoad cargo platform. So there's a lot going on here, so make sure to click the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website with all the parts and specifications, everything you need to know. But just quick and dirty, this is the LockNLoad platform with the Skyline Tower and the landing pad 1 for track applications. So it's a great fit for this size truck. Fits to the tracks perfectly, has a multitude of different accessories that work with it, so a great solution for this customer. Again, for more details, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.